two metal discs. Let's go ahead and let's extrude the side of the lower arm. Okay, so now we hit E for extrude, and now wait a minute. Let's take a look at our browser. We want to make sure that we put that new body of the extrusion in the correct place in the browser. Okay, what we don't want to do is we don't want to put it in the assembly. We want to make sure that it is in the actual component that we're working on. So we want to make sure that that component is selected before we make the extrusion. So now that that component is selected, we can go ahead and we can extrude this out. The thickness of the material, which is 0.21. Return. Okay. So now let's make a copy of this. And the best way to do that is the same way that we did for the upper arm. Right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here and make sure that this is selected. And I'm going to say copy, and then I'm going to make the assembly selected, and then I'm going to paste that in place, and you can see that it puts the copy of that lower arm in the correct position in the browser. And now I'm just going to move it over to the opposite side. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so now before we go and make the horizontal piece with the lower arm, we want to put some of these parts in place. And to do that, we will use the joint command, which we will cover in the next video.